go.
Oh, seatbelt. Bye guys. Bye. Bon voyage. You too. Thanks. Bye.
He wants to go first. This guy has this.
아니 땡해준 거지.
뭘? Yeah.
브이로그 하고 싶은데
Yeah.
내 머리가 엉망진창이라서 카메라 못 돌리겠다. 네 머리가 더 낫다. Guys, today we are gonna head to the France. 얼마 나왔는데?
83.
Our gas tank was almost empty. And 오늘 왜 이렇게 상콤하게 인사하려는데? 야, let's go to France. If you're just joining us, I'm Lucy and this is Mark. In 2018, we left Korea and now we have explored over 50 countries in our tiny home on wheels, TV. Oh, we crossed the border.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, just now. River
there's
border.
the sign. Right there. Yes, we're in France.
Bonjour. 그거 말고 모르겠네. 사바. Guys, we got in France. Yay, bonjour. Let's see how our travel we go, right?
Yep. Oh,
Oof.
light changed.
Okay, let's go.
Yep, we're back in France. A few days ago we were in Portugal, and today we crossed the border from Spain to France. It's not like us to move around so fast, but there is this thing called Schengen. The Schengen area, according to Wikipedia, is an area encompassing 29 European countries that have officially abolished border controls at their mutual borders, which is kind of awesome. That means we don't have to go through customs and immigration each time we cross one of these borders. We can go back and forth as much as we please. But there is a catch. For us non-Schengen residents, that is. We can only stay in the Schengen area for a maximum of 90 days within a 180-day period. And that kind of sucks for us. Soon our 90 days will expire, and we will have to leave the Schengen area for at least 3 months before we can re-enter. So now we're in a rush to do our Schengen exit once again.
Okay, so what are we doing here?
So we are gonna make a SIM card today. We have a SIM card from Spain, but when you are outside Spain, only 20 gigabyte you can use it, but it is not enough for us and it's quite expensive, so we are gonna change to French SIM card today. 10 euro is at 110 gigabyte, I think. So we are gonna buy only one SIM card. And where we are, I think we are in shopping center, right?
Yeah, and we'll only be in France for a couple of weeks, so that should last us the whole time here.
Yeah. Hope so. It's too hot, baby.
Yeah, it's hot. It's gonna be 32 degrees today. Let's go.
So every month is much.
Just for 1 month.
Okay. Do you wanna? You can choose number.
I don't know. Anything's good for me.
Let's go to 7.
Okay.
And
Yeah. Good card.
good.
All right.
Ah,
Nice.
okay.
Yeah.
SIM card is quite easy. It's the kiosk and nice. I know how to make your life days better. Do you want to have an iced latte?
Oh. It's my once-a-year ice latte.
What's there? 근데 what happened to your last Starbucks iced latte?
One that you kicked over?
한 묶음 마셨는데 내가 차버렸잖아. Okay.
Paper birthday. Okay, let's go.
Alright. So we are gonna decide where we are gonna go, right?
Oh wow, you loaded pretty quick this time.
새로운 신카드라서 빨리 된 거 아닐까요?
So we can go here, or there's a wild campsite here.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the left.
This is it right here.
Guys, we arrived in the free campsite. We park right there next to other van. The asked the French 아저씨, the monsieur, that we can park next to him. He said okay, and we can park anywhere in the grass. But certain part of it is quite muddy, so we don't want to put our two wheels stuck in this mud. So we just like decided to leave the car over there. But it's quite hot. It's humid and hot. It's just oh man. This is yours.
Thank you.
이거 소스는 허니가 나중에 넣어서.
Okay. Wow, looks good.
좀 많이 넣었습니다. 더우니까.
Yeah.
비빔면을 가겠습니다. 이거 소스만 따로 사도 좋을 텐데.
Is it good?
매워. 어때? 맛있어?
Good. Love hot weather, huh?
Good morning, TV crew. We slept really good. I guess we were tired because of the heat. Today we are gonna head up to the more north because we have to be outside of Schengen soon because 90 days is so quickly passed. So yeah, today will be a long drive I think, but let's see. But today is another hot day. I cannot believe it's getting hotter and hotter. Alright. Okay.
That's our destination here. That's really far away. 4 hours, 15 minutes.
Alright, here we go.
30도래.
Where is Leon?
없어야 I fall asleep. 쉴 때 가자. Nice shot. 콜라 가져왔네.
Yes, ma'am. Not cola. Freeway cola.
Freeway, highway.
It's the best cola.
안 자려고 그랬는데 아예 막 쏟아지더라고요. So guys, we're taking a break in picnic. Not picnic, it's a rest stop, right? I didn't even see the sign because I was sleeping. We need the Red Bull. Please. Red Bull, please sponsor us. I know we don't do that crazy extreme sports, but it's quite tiring, Give me some Red Bull. If Red Bull doesn't wanna do, please contact us at Monster. Please, Monster. I can consume so many Monster. Bacchus is good, but it is the glass bottle. Glass is banned in our van.
Except for our whiskey bottles. Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. We can do.
Alright, keep me awake,
Exit.
okay?
여기 엄청 크다 피크닉. 진짜 크네.
It's really big. Alright, back onto the highway. Here we go.
We can do. Actually, you can do.
Thank you. Wow.
야, 2.0이다.
1.938. Wow.
Oh my god. Guys, highway gas station usually put the higher price, right? But it's crazy. Like, I saw like 222, right?
Yeah.
You say 1.9 something is the 2?
1.938.
Oh my god, that is a ridiculous price. But people are saying that like a price come down a little bit, but I do not think so. Really shocking.
Highway robbery.
Yeah.
Literally highway robbery.
아니야, 선플라워.
Oh, lots of sunflowers.
해바라기다. 한 송이만 누가 줬으면 좋겠네. 한 송이만 누가 줬으면 좋겠네, 선플라워.
I will find them for you.
Okay.
Oh, look how busy this place is.
1.5 맞지?
Yeah. 1.592.
그나마 괜찮은 거잖아. 다들 막 오 1.59야 1.59 빨리 가 나가야 돼 이렇게 나온 거 아니가? 우리처럼 급하게 엑시트. 헐. 여기 지갑 안에 있거든요. 기름값이 얼마야? 1.592. 1.592 좋다. 헐. 나 차 지켜야 돼. 어?
Card refuse.
왜 카드 리퓨지야?
Remember in France, some of the gas stations don't accept our card.
Let me see. 이것도 안 되면 우리 없어.
Okay. Try this one.
하나 카드 안 되고.
Okay, let's try.
Please 대라.
Oh, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different. Before it just said card
Oh.
away.
가솔린. 된다.
Okay.
Select
You're
the
gonna
pump.
select pump 6. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
핀 넘버? 핀 오케이.
Okay. Please wait. Approved. Yeah.
잘 들어간다.
That's the cheapest price we've seen.
맞아.
France so far.
So we found the good gas price here. So we just stop right away. It is 1.592 euros. Yeah, my Korean card somehow one card doesn't work in France, and luckily the other card works. But oh wow.
Got a little bit of grease on my fingers.
그래?
All right. There's receipt.
오케이. 얼마 나왔어?
Yeah, we only
Yeah.
put in 44 liters.
그 이때까지 넣은 거
So
중에서
77 euros.
스페인에서 넣은 거 다음에 처음으로 넣는 거잖아. 다행이다 야. 제일 싼 데 찾아서. TV를 그 외부 주차장 그늘에 댔어, right?
I'm so jealous.
이거 다 솔로 패널이에요, 여러분. 제가 빵이랑 우유가 떨어져가지고 간단하게 바로 그 가스 스테이션 그게 슈퍼유, 슈퍼마켓 유.
에어컨.
에어컨 나온다. 맨날 유럽은 에어컨 안 나오는데. Look at this candle. It's a fake one.
Nice. It's good for ambiance.
Ambiance.
This is one emergency room. Maybe that's three.
This one? Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's huge.
Yeah, it's a huge widget.
Select your payment method. Take the second left onto Rue de Richelieu D1. Signs for Anthony Latie, CE. Then turn left onto Rue de Moussière.
Here.
Finally.
Finally. Here we are. Woohoo!
Yeah, we are
Continue straight to stay on Ladiago. Then your destination will be on the left.
And the reception.
Right
here.
Yeah. Guys, we sat in our car on the leveling block because it's quite hilly. It's really nice, so you can see there a little bit nature and big trees and then grass. That's perfect. So we picked this spot. Mark is setting up in trees and we can have a shade. We drove 6 hours today. Just it would take a while to cool down. I think she would never cool down. Well, what we can do. So this campsite is 10 euro 44 cents, include the shower and the power and everything is really good. Luckily, we have extensions, one there and the other one, and then 3. So we plugged in. That's good. So we are gonna wait until her temperature is better. I'm not
5 hours from now.
Yeah, I think she would never cool down until.
Once it gets dark, it will
Yeah.
start cooling down.
Yeah. Alright. What we can do. But
You
anyways,
can go swimming in the river.
possible you go in. What? Oh, someone is doing something there, huh? Okay. So is it quite clear water? This is a Riet. So Mark's favorite one. Sebastian told you. And
Look at
then
this
he loves
giant
it.
baguette that we have. It's
Yeah.
huge. Just 79 cents. Not bad.
맛있다. 오늘은 비빔밥 하려고.
Bibimbap, nice.
Yeah.
I saw the gochujang. Are you fixing the oil?
아니? zucchini.
Oh, zucchini.
Yeah. Oh, flying so. 너무 더우니까 바로 터져버리네.
I think that one, the egg yolk's already doomed. Anyways, I don't like uncooked egg yolk.
But you used to like it.
Not today.
That's
Alright, anyways, this is pretty amazing. This is the fancy chamgiram, right?
made in Korea.
It's good, baby.
Good morning to be crew. Oh my god, last night it started to rain a lot, and then in the morning we heard the thunder, and yeah, I didn't see lightning, but we heard a lot of thunder. But luckily the rainstorm just passed, and then we have a little bit sunny and then cloudy, and actually today temperature is better. We were thinking to leave today to Paris, but we decided, north of Paris, but we decided to change our mind, stay one more day in here because we have to finish our video. We gotta upload tomorrow morning in our time, so we gotta finish everything up. So what we are gonna do, Mark will do editing, and then I will do the van tour, and after that we take over for the editing, and then yeah, we're gonna a little bit catch up on our van life reality again, and then we'll move up. Oh yeah, it's just actually it's a good choice because we both were so tired yesterday. It was 6 hours on the road, and after we arrived here it was still hot, and then TV engine is amazing. Seriously, she's amazing. Our car didn't go down there below 30 degrees until 12, I think, midnight. Oh, man. So we had a kind of humid, hot temperature inside of our van. So I feel like I did a sauna for a long time. But anyways, it's good to catch up, and then health and then condition is the first, right? And actually uploading video is the first. Yeah, I'm gonna do. While I'm talking, I can see the sun in here. This sun is shining through. Hopefully, only a few hours. I'm kind of. I love to have the shade a little bit. Okay, let me go to the laundry and then catch up the van chores. 빨래꾼 막 그거 가지고 안 될 텐데.
It's gotta be at least 3 kilograms.
뭔 3kg이야.
I'm not one of those who easily can open up and let somebody go. No, I'm not one of those who is the center of attention. I'm not one of those. No.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like before you go. And of course, we have to thank our patrons and YouTube members. If you think it's worth it to support this content we make, there are links below for Patreon, YouTube membership, as well as PayPal down below. Hope to see you next time. Bye.
Everybody else makes me feel